Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop chicken wings easy guide. Start by separating the drumette and wingette, then trim meat toward one end to create the lollipop. Pat wings dry, season evenly with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices, then let rest for 15 minutes. Preheat your oven or air fryer for crisp results, and choose high heat for the final cooking step to achieve golden skin. Trim each wing by removing the tip and exposing the bone to form the lollipop shape, then gently push meat toward the end. Drying the wings well is essential to get crisp skin, so use paper towels and give them a short rest. Lightly oil and season now, and if using a marinade, apply for at least 30 minutes for flavor to penetrate without soggy skin. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use to store wings and sauces. They save time and prevent mess. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick one up if you like handy kitchen gear. Now let's get back to the video. For oven cooking, roast at 425 degrees F until golden and crisp, flipping halfway through for even color. Air fry at 400 degrees F for 12 to 15 minutes for quicker results. Always confirm an internal temperature of 165 degrees F before serving to ensure safety. Let the wings rest for a few minutes so juices redistribute, then toss in sauce or glaze if desired, and plate with dipping sauces and a garnish for a fun presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.